I've been expecting you. I'm just playing. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm gonna be doing unboxing video because I have a few items from SHEIN that my mom bought, so I don't know exactly what's in here, but I'm gonna have you guys see my reaction to the items. I'll tell you about the material, and maybe another time I can try them on if you guys would like. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the first item. Okay. Ooh, this is actually cute. I think it would go with what I'm wearing now. Because what I'm wearing now is kind of, it's sparkly but it's solid, and then this has patterns, so it's really nice. Let's see. The material, it's not soft, but it's textured a little bit, and the waist has good stretch. This is a size medium. It looks like it would go down to about my knees or a little bit past them, and I think it's really cute. Okay, the next item, it's yellow. That's nice. Okay. Ooh. So it's one of those like yellow little dresses, and the sleeves, I don't remember what they call these, if they call them like lettuce sleeves or something. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But this is cute. It says I don't know what it says. Wait, let me see. Leaving, loving my living my best life. Okay. Yeah, as you can tell, I can't read cursive that good. So although I can slightly write it, but I apparently can't read it that well. But yeah, so this is about the length of the dress. It comes down to about my knee, and then it's a size medium, and the material is like a ribbed kind of material on here, and then as I said here, like the lettucey kind of material, if that's what it's called. And yeah, I think this is really cute to wear the summer, or even if you wear it in the fall, maybe just pair it with a pair of like knee-high boots so that you're not too cold, or like a pair of stockings or something. The next item, okay, we can see it's black and white. Alright. Wait a minute. It looks like a two-piece. It's a two-piece set, guys. Okay. Alright. By just looking at it through the bag, I thought maybe it would be like a blazer or something, but this is actually a two-piece, like with a top and a skirt. So it's a size medium and it's pretty cute. It says the words love around the waist, and it's stretchy, and then the top matches it. So this is a really nice outfit just for going out, and like the material is like, it's kind of silky in a way. It's different from the other materials and it seems to have really good stretch. So I think that this would look super cute and I can't wait to try it on. Don't mind me. I fold the clothes and put them down. Next we have another yellow item. So I can see the writing through the bag. It says C'est la vie Paris. And that's nice. Ooh, this is a cropped shirt. And it looks almost like the other one. Because you can see the bottom has a little like those like crinkly thingies. And then so do the sleeves. I think it's really nice. I'd pair these with maybe black skinny jeans or white skinny jeans too, or you could even pair it with like a pencil skirt. I think it's really nice. The material is ribbed and it's just a nice simple piece that can be dressed up or dressed down, and I would most definitely wear this a lot. Guys, you gotta stay tuned for the try on haul. Like, let me know in the comments down below if this is what you want to see, because like I'm down to do it. Okay, now we have a new color. So we've had yellow, we've had black, we've had multicolor, and now we have blue. And blue is actually one of my favorite colors, but I hope you guys will learn more about me during a Q&A. So subscribe and comment so that I can do a Q&A and you guys can learn more about me. Okay, wait, oh my gosh, this is cute. So this is another ribbed material with the crinkly material thingy, lettuce shreds at the bottom. And then it has a string to be tied. So I think this is really nice. I don't think the string doesn't look like it cinches it, but it looks like you can tie it in different styles at the front to make it like unique and do your own kind of twist on it. So this, I feel like it would be really cute with white pants or like a white skirt, because blue and white go really nicely together, and it's a size medium. I'm not really sure how the top would go. It's one of those kind of V-neck shirts, so maybe I might have to wear something under it, but I'm not sure. I guess I'll see when I try it on. Next, our second last item that's in the bag is this red item. So I'm really curious to see. It looks like sort of like a like fancy shirt. So let's see what if my guess is right. And I was right. It's one of those like fancy shirts. This is nice. It has at the back 2 strings so you can tie it. Not sure if the strings go like this. I think they might, but I'm sure people are creative and they'll like do, if I can reach it, do some next kind of like, I don't know, some cool design or something. I feel like there's lots of flexibility when you have strings, and this could be paired with this that we saw earlier, touching off this kind of reddish color down here, so we could pair these two together and I think they'd look nice. And the material is like, I want to say it's kind of satiny, but it's not really silk, so I'm not really sure how to describe it. But yeah, I'd wear this if I was going to a Christmas party, because like Christmas is my favorite holiday, and also church, because I go to church, so I think this would be really nice. Maybe church during Christmas time after the pandemic is over. So yep, I really like this. And I'm sure you could even dress this with maybe pants, like black skinny jeans, and then tuck in the front. I like tucking in the front of shirts into the pants. I feel like it just gives the look a bit more shape rather than the shirt going like this, or like putting a belt or something. Now for our last item, we have this comes open. Okay, the box looks kind of tattered up, so let's see what's inside. It says it's a mini handheld sewing machine. I can't say I didn't expect that because of how you guys saw how the box looked. Like, it was open, it was like crumpled, it looked like it had been stepped on and thrown and stuff. So I don't even know. I'm gonna have to show my mom and ask her to bring it back. This would have been so cute, as you could see, and as it said, it was a little sewing thing, but this is supposed to be on the top or the bottom. No, yeah, the top. But as you saw, it came like broken, so just gonna have to bring that back. But yeah, this was kind of disappointing, as the whole haul was really good in my opinion. Like, my mom, she knows me like that. Like, she knows like which clothes I like everything. But this one, it was just disappointing because it broke before I could even try it or learn to use it, for that matter. But it's okay. Sometimes you buy things online and they come broken because I guess they manhandle the packaging and stuff like that. So it's okay, but it is what it is. That's the what's the word? That's the slogan or whatever for this year. It's just, it is what it is. But guys, like, I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed reacting to this stuff. I'm happy I have new clothes. Like, I love clothes. Clothes are just like, because you compare them with so many things and match them and everything. So I just hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And this brings us to the end of the video. So grow with me and help me grow by hitting that like and subscribe button down below. And subscribe so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. Also, guys, please comment things on the video. Comment funny parts, things that you like, things that you want to see in the next videos. Like, I'm all ears. Like, I'm ready for you guys to say what you want about the video, and I'm just excited to see this channel grow. So oh, 9 times 10, 90.